Hello everyone, welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. I am Rakesh. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop this 3D model in SolidWorks software. First, open new document in SolidWorks 2025 and choose part, then click on OK. Then do the settings. Then do the unit settings. You can go to the bottom menu and click on this IPS and choose millimeter gram second. Okay, after this, once again carefully see the given model. First, you need to construct base one. This total length is 118 and total width is 44, and right side having one curve is there. The curve diameter equal to 44 mm. So choose extruded bossor base and select top plane. So the given model is symmetrical with respect to vertical plane, so that's why I am choosing center rectangle. First construct one center rectangle, then give the dimensions by using smart dimension. This total length is 118. Okay, this total width is 44 mm. 44 mm. Then click on OK. After this, right side having one curve is there, so I need to construct that curve by using perimeter circle. So select these three edges, 2 and 3. Okay, this is the way to construct a perimeter circle in SolidWorks. After click on escape button. Now exit from this workbench. Whatever the portion is, you need to extrude. So you can select this portion and this curve portion and give the thickness. The base model thickness is 16 mm, 16. Then click on OK. Click on OK. After this, you need to remove this portion. So this curve diameter 16 mm, the distance between these two centers is 24 mm. So in the SolidWorks that shape is available. So now I'm choosing extruded cut. Select the surface. This in the SolidWorks that shape is called straight slot. Now choose straight slot. Just you can move your cursor on this arc and identify the center point. Select this center point. Just you can move your cursor towards left side. Now click here and expand the curve. Then give the dimensions by using smart dimension. You know that the distance between these two centers 24 mm. 24. Okay, and this arc diameter is 16 mm, so radius is 8 mm. Then click on OK. After this, exit from this workbench. So that cutting portion also also having thickness 16 mm. So they just click on OK. That portion is removed from that portion, that part. After this, you need to construct this portion. So the distance between this whole center point to bottom edge, that is 40 mm. This arc diameter is 48 mm. The whole diameter is 20 mm. So choose extruded bossor base and select this face. So I am choosing corner rectangle. From this corner point, construct one rectangle, then give the dimensions. So choose smart dimension, select this edge and this edge. This height is 40 mm. Then click on OK. And this width is 48 mm. 48 mm. After this, you need to construct arc by using circle tool. From the midpoint, construct one circle and also construct one more circle for hole from the same center point. That radius, the diameter is 20 mm. 20. OK. Okay, after this, now click escape button and exit from this workbench. Similar you can follow same procedure. Whatever the portion you need to extrude it, first you need to change the direction towards right side. Then select the portion. I need to extrude this portion and this portion and this portion. This thickness is 12 mm. 1 2. OK. 1 2, then click on OK. Okay, after this the same portion to be you need to duplicate to other side. That's why I am choosing mirror option. Okay, expand this one part 4. That part is symmetrical with respect to front plane. So what are the features to mirror? That is this one. Then click on OK. Okay, this is the way to construct this 3D model in SolidWorks. One uh, in the bottom one, this curvature portion is there, that radius is 4 mm. So you can create that portion by using fillet option. Select fillet option, select these two edges. This edge, hold control button, select this edge. This radius is 4 mm, 4. Then click on OK. Yeah. Okay, this is the final model in SolidWorks. You can see it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.